How to publish Wix website on phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open your Wix Owner app and log in to your account. Once you do that, select the website that you want to publish using the Sites dropdown at the top center of the screen. From the menu toolbar at the bottom, click on Site and App. From the Website section, click on Edit. And once you're here, click on Publish at the top right. Once you do that, your website will be published. And that's it. That's how to publish Wix website on phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.